So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to import our GIS shapefiles into Google Earth Engine. So now let's get started. So this is an ArcMap interface. This is a shapefile we're gonna upload into our Earth Engine. So now let me get back to my Earth Engine here. So now to upload your GIS shapefiles into Google Earth Engine, first we have to navigate to this option called Asset. So in the Asset section, we have this option called New. We're going to click this option called New. And in that, we have this option called Shapefiles with the following extensions which can be used to upload your shapefiles. So you can also upload your GeoTIFF and CSV files. So now we can upload our shapefiles into our Earth Engine. We're going to click this option. So a new window pops up saying upload a new shapefile asset. So please drag and drop or select the files for this asset. So the allowed extensions are SHP and zip, DBF, PRG, and SHX, CPG, fix, and QIX, SBN. So now and SHP.xml. These are the allowed extensions. You can upload your shape files. So I'm gonna select my shapefile. So click this option called in the source file. Click this option called select. So now make sure that you navigate to the folder location where you saved your shapefile. So these are the this is my study area shapefile. Let me show you this. This is my study area shapefile. So this is the shapefile we're gonna upload into our Earth Engine. So now let me select the allowed extensions here. We're gonna select study areas, CPG, DBF, PRG, and SBN. And SBX extension is not available here. And we're gonna click this shapefile and shapefile, that is study area.shp, and SHX. This is a shapefile called SHX. You can able to see here SHX, and I have clicked this option. So now I have selected all the required file extension with allowed extensions as mentioned here, and I'm gonna click this option called open. And now here you can able to visualize these are the following shapefiles with the extensions I have uploaded into our Earth Engine. So next, this is asset ID, that is the user asset ID, and asset name is our shapefile, that is study area, and the properties, metadata properties about the asset which can be edited during an asset upload and after the ingestion. The system start property is used as a primary date of asset. So you can add your start time and add your end time and add properties to your this particular shapefile. And these are the advanced options. So I'm gonna leave it as a default for now. And now we're gonna click this option called upload. So once you did that, navigate to the task section here. So there's an unsubmitted task here, the study area upload. So you can able to see here it is currently uploading our study area shapefile into Earth Engine. So now here in the task section you can able to visualize we have uploaded our GIS shapefile into Earth Engine. So it took less than 1 minute to upload. So the runtime is around 38 seconds to upload the shapefiles. So now we have uploaded our shapefiles. We're going to navigate to this option called asset section here. So we're going to refresh it. So here in the legacy assets, you can able to visualize there is a user geospatial. We're going to click this arrow here and you can able to visualize the results here, study area. So we have uploaded our GIS shapefile into our Google Earth Engine. So now let's import this shapefile into Earth Engine. We're going to click this option called import into a script. So we have to add this layer. Let me show you that. Before that, let me show you the shapefile here. So this is the asset details. So now here you can able to visualize we have uploaded this particular shapefile. You can able to view the picture of this particular shapefile here. So now let me close this. So now let me show you how to add this shapefile into our Earth Engine. So now to add this layer, we have to define this particular code here. We're going to define map dot. So now we're going to add map dot add layer. So now we have to mention the variable here, that is variable called table. So we're going to mention it as table. So now we have defined to add this layer, map.add layer Tamil Nadu, referring to our shapefile. So variable called table referring to our shapefile. So we're going to click this option called run and we're going to visualize the result here. So here we have an error called table is not defined. So let me enter the name here. I'm going to enter the variable name as study area. And similarly, I'm going to mention the variable here, study area. So now I have mentioned map.add layer, study area. So now we're going to click this option called run. So before you run your script, to make sure that you add this code to map.center object study area with this specific zoom level of 9 here. So it will be easy to navigate to your shapefile. So we're going to click this option called run script. So now here we can able to visualize the result here. We have uploaded our shapefile. So this is our study area shapefile. We have uploaded into our Earth engine. So you can able to compare this particular with our arc map of this particular shapefile we have uploaded into our Earth engine. So in this video, I've shown you how to upload GIS shapefiles into Earth engine. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.